Lesson 19, Section 1, Geography of the North. From the rocky shores of Maine to the gently rolling plains of Iowa, the North had a variety of climates and natural features. Northerners adapted to these geographical differences by creating different industries and ways of making a living. Climate. All the northern states experienced 4 distinct seasons, from freezing winters to hot, humid summers. But the most northerly states, such as Maine and Minnesota, had colder winters and shorter summer growing seasons than states farther south, such as Pennsylvania and Ohio. Natural features. Different areas of the North had distinctive natural features. The jagged New England coast, for example, had hundreds of bays and inlets that were perfect for use as harbors. Shipbuilding, fishing, and commerce flourished in this area, while towns such as Boston became busy seaports. Inland from the sea lay a narrow, flat plain with a thin covering of rocky soil. Farming was not easy here, so many people turned to trade and crafts instead. Others moved west in search of better farmland. New England's hills rose sharply above V-shaped valleys carved by steep streams. The hillside offered barely enough land for small farms, but they were covered with thick forests of spruce and fir. New Englanders found that they could make money by harvesting timber, which could be used for shipbuilding and in trade with other countries. Farther south in New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey, broad rivers like the Hudson and the Delaware had deposited rich soil over the plains. People living in these areas supported themselves by farming. Across the great Appalachian Mountains lay the Central Plains, a large forested region drained by the Ohio and Mississippi rivers, which boasts some of the best agricultural soil in the world. From Ohio to Illinois, settlers cleared the forests to make way for farms. Industrious Northerners were thus changing the landscape. One result of these changes was deforestation, or the clearing of forests. By 1850, Americans had cleared about 177,000 square miles of dense forest, and with the growth of industry, the demand for coal and other natural resources led to a big increase in mining after about 1820, especially in Pennsylvania.